Digital medical sonography. Digital medical sonography is designed for students wanting to explore the field of sonography. Sonographers can determine any medical conditions one may have within the body with sonographic images. Sonography captures images of the internal body, which includes blood vessels, muscles, organs, and other soft tissues within the human body. Ultrasounds are also used to keep track of a growing fetus inside a mother's uterus. If there's any problems with the baby, an ultrasound can help see what's going on. A bit of history on ultrasound waves was that physiologist Lazzaro Spallanzani performed several studies back in 1794 about how bats are able to navigate by using sound instead of sight. This is known today as echolocation, which is when locations are identified by sound waves reflecting or bouncing back from objects in an environment. With these principles that were found in this experiment was how ultrasound functions today in society. Neurologist Carl Dusik was the first one who built off of Spallanzani's experiment and used ultrasonic sound waves. He transmitted an ultrasound beam through the human skull in order to detect brain tumors. With that being said, digital medical sonographers use imaging equipment and sound waves to create images of parts in the body known as ultrasounds. The most common machine in sonography is called the basic ultrasound machine. The ultrasound machine includes a transducer, central processing unit or computer connected to a monitor, and a keyboard and printer. The part of the machine that emits the sound waves is the transducer, when they have bounced off structures that the ultrasound focuses on. Then, the central processing unit measures the intensities and the speed. After, the electronic images pop up on the monitor. Data of the patient is typed in and ultrasound images are printed after. This machine sends off high-frequency waves that bounce off structures inside the body to create the images needed. This also does not create ionization since it doesn't use radiation like X-rays and CT scans. Sonographers offer patient services using ultrasound under the direction of a physician. They must have an in-depth knowledge of physics, disease processes, physiology, cross-sectional anatomy, positioning, and sonographic techniques to create these ultrasound images. Also, knowledge on darkroom techniques, equipment maintenance, record keeping, and film processing are part of this job. These careers in the field of sonography are found in hospitals, clinics, doctors' offices, and mobile imaging centers.